ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 3rd day of July, getting set for a long holiday weekend, and weather beginning to look a little more typical for summertime here. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the state this morning. Actually, we'll begin with a look yesterday at the setting sun coming from Gulf Shores. Captured that image about 6:15 or so in the 6 o'clock news zone. The sun coming down over the Little Lagoon. This time of the year, that's the view coming from the Phoenix All Suite. Some high clouds, but the sky was generally sunny. Now this morning, here's a look at Mount Cheahaw, Alabama's highest mountain, south of Anniston, looking east. You can see the lodge there across the street from the restaurant. And from downtown Jasper, the view there looking nice from the top of the King Building up in Walker County. This morning over the nation, got a cold front lined up from near Detroit down to about Wichita, Kansas, and that's produced some active convection last night and yesterday north of here. And more than likely, that front will be stalling out before reaching us and will not bring the cooler and drier air this time. If anything, it might enhance the chance of scattered showers and storms by Saturday, Sunday, and early next week as that thing washes out. Convective outlook today, got a slight risk of severe weather from Ohio up into the northeast United States, and also a slight risk over parts of Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle, and the plains of Colorado and New Mexico. Here's the expected rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1 to 2 inches here. This is valid through Monday evening of next week. And again, it's going to be scattered showers and storms, so not everybody will get that much, but some spots could see more. You know the deal. And more than likely, they will begin on Saturday, lasting on into next week as the typical summertime weather pattern begins to set up. Hey, tropical depression number 2 has formed in the eastern Atlantic as the outflow looks good. Got a central dense overcast. We'll take a look at the modeling on that, and again, you can see all of the global models take that poleward. They bend it toward the north, and ultimately beginning a north motion there in about 120 hours, which means a recurving path. Here's the official track from the National Hurricane Center. Yeah, they pretty much that track is in pretty good agreement with the model blend. And, of course, on that track, it will take it well to the north of the islands, and, again, that will be a recurving storm, more than likely, and not impact the United States. But it's early, so we'll keep an eye on that thing. And how about another tropical disturbance moving into the eastern Caribbean this morning? It's coming on through the Leeward Islands. And there's a look at the modeling on that thing. And it's got it shooting on through the Caribbean, maybe making the gap into the Gulf. But you know what? I don't think that thing survives. Take a look at this. This is the wind shear out across the Atlantic Basin. And note that very harsh shear over the Caribbean. That'll chew that thing up and spit it out like nails. So more than likely that will not survive. But again, we'll keep an eye on things. This is where we are today at 1 o'clock off the OZGFS. We've got a broad trough there over the eastern part of the continent. The ridging is out west, and at the surface, our front is lined up there from Detroit down to about Wichita with showers and storms to the north. Got deeper moisture down south. There could be a few scattered showers south of Montgomery today, but more than likely we stay dry. Tomorrow for the 4th, kind of getting a squeeze play here with the deeper moisture creeping in from the south, the front approaching from the north, but still we think any showers in this part of Alabama, the I-20 corridor, will be pretty widely separated. As you can see there, we're in kind of a relative minimum. And then Saturday, it all kind of comes together for the chance of scattered showers and storms, mainly Saturday afternoon, with the front stalling out north of us and the moisture in place. Sunday, the GFS tries to hint at a little drier air over the Tennessee Valley, but I don't know. Much of the state will stay in a moist air mass. We'll mention scattered showers and storms. Monday of next week, the core of the westerlies are north of us. There's no support to push any boundary through here, so same deal. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, highs around 90, scattered storms in the afternoon. We note the disturbance in the western Gulf, though. Tuesday, that disturbance moves up toward the Texas coastal plain. And the model has seen this before. It's not the first time. And again, we stay in a moist air mass. And then Wednesday of next week, that whatever thing it is kind of comes up through the Sabine Pass there around the Texas-Louisiana border. If that's right, that would enhance the rain around Galveston and Lake Charles and Beaumont. We'll see. And again, our air mass stays the same. We'll go deeper into July. This is the 13th. Ridging is the story here. Looks awfully standard there. And then on the 18th, the end of the forecast period, a little 594 ring around Jackson. Don't like that. But the core of the heat is still out west. And again, that would suggest rather uneventful, typical summertime weather if that happens to be correct, and it probably is. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com, and we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Going to a holiday schedule here, so we'll crank out just one of these a day until Monday of next week when we get back to the 2-a-day schedule. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and God bless.